Good afternoon everyone. So in this video we are going to start with the signing up of the site, and the site we'll be signing up now is Ysense. So as we all know, in the previous video I said that whenever you want to take survey you have to go through some processes, to make your phone not to dictate your location. So if you have not watched the video, please do wait to watch the video. Next one, our VPN is connected. Then for this video I downloaded a new browser just now. Anytime I want to do survey, I use a new browser or use that particular browser for that particular survey site. So I downloaded a new browser and I'll be logging in now, and I want to show you how it works. So this is the new browser I downloaded. Agree and continue. Cancel. Next. Remember, whenever you are doing some survey that requires you, they send you an email for you to confirm, and when you click on the link it will automatically lead you to that site. Remember to make the browser the default browser. Example, I'll show you one. So this is the name of the site, ySense. So this is the site. I'll click on it. This site has a high security. You have to be very careful and use a strong proxy whenever you want to sign up for the site and whenever you're doing survey. So I'll be signing up. I'll be using this email. Oh my god, I don't even know. I think I've used this email. I'll pause this video. Okay, let me use this email. I'll pause this video, add my password. Okay, so here I want to activate my account. For you to activate your account, you have to make that browser your default browser. See this place, you cannot just copy the link. I would have said copy the link and paste, but you have to go to your browser and then set it to be your default browser. So here you go to your settings, you scroll down, set as default browser, you click it. Okay, welcome everyone. So in this video I will show you how to generate your postal code. Remember, while generating your postal code, don't use the browser you're using for survey. Use another browser. So for the purpose of my generate postal code, I'll be using Chrome. I have a lot of things here in my Chrome. That's it. Okay, like this, I've already finished verifying my account in ySense. I can now set it as default browser to avoid it being like I want to click a link and they will use Firefox, which will now tamper with my account. I don't know if you're understanding me. So I have to set it as my listen. I'll now press here. First of all, I will search what was my IP address. I'm showing you the process. IP address. What's this now? I don't even know. No. This is not the site. What am I even searching? My IP address. Oh, what am I even forgetting the sites? Okay, so this is the site. Excuse me. So this is the site. What's my IP address? That's the site. So I'll now click for more. I'll now click it. See my IP address. London. We sabi lie. So this is my IP address. So you have to take notes, copy this I'll screenshot my own, copy it. Your state is England, your city is London. This is the two things we need here: state England, city London. So I'll be making use of this thanks. So I'll be making use of this city London. You understand? So when you find out your state and your city, you now come back, now search London postal code. I'll now search London post. We are making use of the city. Alright, so this is the postal code in London. Take a good look at it. You will see that all of them started at E, capital letter E. See it more. Okay, this one is N, but most of them is E. So when you get to know the first letter it is starting, which is E, you now come back here. You now search postal code. Dora postal code generator. Oh, what's wrong with my? So this is the site. Click it. Okay, so remember it is E. I'll now search for E. This E, see it here. Sorry, I'm going to bring this thing down. I'll now click E. Create a random postal code. See my postal code. Take note of this thing. Copy it out. For the purpose of filling that in. So I'll be copying my own here and with my pen and paper here. I'll be copying it. You can snap it. So this is my postal code. E6LB. Sometimes when you're filling your postal code, it requires you to not to give space. Sometimes you give space, but I would advise you don't give space. Don't give space in this in between this 7 and 6. Don't give space. After generating your postal code, next thing you have to do, create a matching address. That's the next thing you have to do, because they will request for your address. You create a matching address. You don't need to create a matching phone, because they will give you phone number. The company will give you free UK number. I mean the company you are working for. If you are watching this thing from YouTube, you can get your free did I say free? You can buy your UK number. Sorry, I think my network is having issue. Sorry, let me change my. Alright, so something went wrong. Alright, let me get a matching address. Let me go again. What's wrong with all this? I'm sorry, let me pause this video and rectify the issue. Alright, I'm back online. Alright, so this is my address. I'll copy it out as well. I'll have to copy it here. Let me pause this. So that's all I'm going to do in this video: getting your IP, postal code, and your location that match it. You understand? Remember that match it. So welcome. I forgot one thing. Whenever you want to start software, please try to minimize. Like, see all these things in my phone here. I need to clear it, so I'll start clearing it. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I'll start clearing it. But that I'll just leave that my server side, which is ySense. I'll clear this one. I'll leave my proxy. Don't clear it. So I'll now come back to this site. Alright, so I'm now ready for filling the profile. Remember, your location will be off. Alright, so get started. I'll start with it. I'm a female. Age, let me use this age. Month. Remember your postal code. E. Don't give space. Then if they request for space, you give space. LB. continue. Okay, I think they request for space here. Alright, you see it. Sometimes they don't request for. So I will be telling you some hits here. Please take note of this thing. I'll be using masters here. I'll be using masters. Don't go too far to be like say you are too that you understand. I will say that I own apartments. Every profile doesn't must not be the same. I will say I own apartments. Take note of all this information you're feeling. This is the main thing you have to know. This information will be used for other surveys. So I will say that we are 3 persons. Even if you are not, just lie for a living. Please choose the option that best describes you. I'm pregnant, expecting a child. I have 1 children. I will choose this last one. But if you choose you are pregnant, expecting a child, they will give you a children's survey. Like all these people that used to go to antenatal care, all these baby products. So that's the thing. I will choose pets. They used to have survey for pets, especially dog and cats. I will choose pets. I will choose that I'm white. You can still choose black. Take note of what you are choosing. Not if you are choosing. If you say you are white today, tomorrow you say you are black. That's the ban your account. I will choose employed full time. No, let me choose part time. So that they will say that I have chance for doing survey. Okay, I will say my this thing. I choose human. I'm looking for human resources. I choose this human resources. I prefer choose human resources or computer or this. Which department do you? I will choose human resources again. Please choose the department or product that you influence. I will say human resources. No, not all these things you are choosing, please. Don't choose marketing and advertising. You know why? These people that are here in survey, they are getting to know more about, like, it's a kind of advertisement. Don't choose this thing. If you get any survey on marketing and advertising, they will just disqualify easily. So I'll just choose this one. I will choose. Let me just choose. Don't choose telecommunication. There's a lot of survey on telecommunication, and they don't need people that are working in the department. They need people that are outsiders. So let me just choose this human resources and go. I'll just say I'm a manager. I'm a manager, please. All right. For this, I'll say we are 100 to 150. Take note of these details, please. Yes, all decisions. Say all decisions. Okay, I will choose the highest. I do shopping. Alright, so which this thing? Low. I will choose anything I like here. Just take note of whatever you're choosing. I will choose the. Don't choose the highest. Choose I choose £100,000 here. Okay. How do you hear about us? Let me just say referred by a friend. I speak English. Please choose any language you know you can speak. Alright, so I'm done with the software. Oh my god. Wait, so the last one wasn't the right fit for you. That's how you continue. So I'm just to access us on here, you need to add your address. See, I told you people you need this address. So I'll be adding the address I generated in the previous video. If you don't know how to generate this, watch the previous video. I'll be adding it now. Let me pause this video to add it. So here I want to tell people something. As you're adding your postal code, try to add the one with space. You get why they requested for it the last time. Your address are updated. So this is it. So let me check. So they have a lot of survey. Almost see, guy, there is a lot of survey in this site. Look at a survey here. It can give you close to $2, and the company requested you only work for like $5 minimum of. See the survey now, a lot of survey. So that's it. In the next video I'll be dropping some survey. We'll be dropping some survey, like we'll be working on some surveys here. That's what we'll be doing. Let me just do this small one. I've collected $0.01. But if you bring out your time, surely you will get it. I'm telling you, it's a sure bet. I also teach you people how to play game using the site, especially those people are using new phone that have not used your phone to download any game before. Because if I used your phone before, why can't I come back to my dashboard? Okay, alright. And I'm still recommending survey for me. Just take a quick look at this site. I will recommend you doing this first survey, this first part, but all of them are paying. You just have to, it's not must you pass the survey, but as time goes on, as you're doing it, you will get like a day. There's this day I was doing a survey alone, gave me $4 at that time. So this is it. Imagine this survey now can give you $5. You have reached the minimum requirement the company requires. You understand? So that's how we'll be doing it. See survey now. See survey. So that's all for today. I'll be waiting for your question. If you have any question, please reach out to me or Madam Grace. If you're watching me from YouTube, please do it to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon, as I will be dropping other updates that are paying in the site. Thank you all. Bye.